All right, it's working. Yay! So hi everyone, and I'm hoping everybody's having a good week. So my name is Krista.
My name is Maria.
And we're the Fit Twins, all right?
All right. So basically we are both personal trainers, fitness freaks, and we are getting ready for our first competition, fitness competition. Bikini division, of course.
Of course.
And we are also brand ambassadors for Dramatize. And we do some fitness modeling every now and then.
So, we're gonna
I can't breathe.
take it easy, sis.
Jesus.
So, come back here. So, from today, we're gonna be video blogging. Vlogging. I think that's a new word. Yes, it is, actually. So, we're gonna video blog our bikini preparation. You know, you're gonna be seeing from fasted cardio to food prep. We're gonna be doing our workouts and also, you know, like our everyday life.
Yeah.
You know, what we go through, what we get ourselves into, and you know, we sell little arguments here and there and stuff like that.
We're also gonna be giving you tips for your workout, your
Nutrition,
diet plan,
absolutely.
which is very important. Supplements that you need to be taking as well.
So, in a nutshell, you're gonna be seeing our journey, not only as competitors, but also as twins that are trying
From
to make
Greece?
it. Yes, that are trying to make it into the fitness industry. All right, let's talk about today.
Yeah. So today we're gonna head to the gym to do our head and
Upper body.
upper body, not head, shoulders and arms, and then we're gonna be heading to the grocery store, to Costco, which we
Love
recommend
Costco.
because you can get a lot of stuff in bulk, and they're not very pricey anyways. And then we're gonna be hitting the gym again for our second session, which is abs and cardio, because
My
it's
favorite.
just too much to do it all at the same
Yeah,
time.
it would be over 2 hours, and then that is not productive because then you try to, you know, you're trying to get your muscles all burned up, and you don't want that. So let's talk about groceries a little bit before we actually have to head to the gym. So I got the list over here. Okay, don't look over there. All right, that's where we go. So I got the asparagus, broccoli, green beans, spinach, which are all our vegetables. Then we got our sweet potatoes, because actually we have brown rice here, but these are pretty much our sweet potatoes, oats, and rice is our carbs. And then
Don't be afraid of carbs.
no, they're good. They're good. They give you energy. Then we got the avocados and our peanut butter. We still have in the shell. We love peanut butter, which is our
Oh,
good
yeah.
fats, and it actually, don't be afraid of that either, because it actually helps you burn more fat.
But go easy on it.
And then we got the proteins. Yay! So we got chicken, ground turkey, eggs, egg whites,
a lot of chicken.
and then amino
A lot of
acid.
chicken.
Amino acid. We always
Yeah.
have to take that before we
And
work out.
that's very important. Before we head to the gym, make sure before you go to the gym you have your
Please
amino
walk
acid and protein powder.
This is the
For-
post-workout.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's in there. For fast recovery, it's very important. Straight away after your workout, just make sure you have your protein with you. And what if that's Lulu?
This is
by the
our
way.
Lulu. This is our other fitness freak. Give me
a kiss.
She doesn't
No,
want
she
to.
doesn't want to kiss.
She stinks. She's not the prettiest, but we love her because she's so ugly. She's cute. Okay.
It's not ugly.
Okay, Lulu, take it easy. All right, everyone. So
That's it
off
for
we're going to
today.
the gym to get our body workout done, and we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Hey guys, so our training is based on supersets, and now we're gonna see Krista doing her last superset, which is
We're gonna be supersetting dumbbell front raises, 20 reps, with single arms, single arm, bend over rows, 20 repetitions again.
awesome. Let's see Krista, okay? Awesome.
Perfect nuts.
Right, let's go to the other exercise.
Now we're gonna be doing second exercise, 20 reps.
Make sure your back is straight, like Krista.
Baby.